This is a how to use on our best selling product, Weedex Super. This is our most popular weed killer. It kills absolutely everything and it's an amazing product. So you can apply this in a few ways. We sell it with a pump up sprayer. So you just put the weed killer into the pump up sprayer, apply it to the weeds, and you can also get one of these little tubes with it. So you put the tube into the bottle and then this is extendable. So when you're holding the 5 litre, you got the tube and then you can also spray the weeds. So what can you apply it on? You can apply it to weeds and moss. It is going to kill them. The best way to apply it is to apply it directly to the root. This is going to kill the weeds over about 48 to 72 hours. With bad weeds, you might need to leave it for a week and then you will see that they go brown, they die, and then you'll be able to pull them out and get rid of them. In terms of recommended usage, this is a heavily concentrated weed killer. So we do recommend that you use it neat for best results, but you can also dilute it. When you've got weeds that aren't as bad and you've just got a little bit of foliage, you can dilute it up to 1 to 3. So that's 1 part chemical to 3 parts water. So from 1 5 litre, you're going to get about 50 meters squared of coverage from just this bottle. And we also do a bundle where you can get 4 5 litres or 3 5 litres and a pump sprayer by clicking above. In terms of PPE, it's always recommended to wear gloves and goggles if possible. And in terms of pets, because people always ask this question, you can apply this product to the ground and leave it 24 hours until it's dry, and then your pets will be safe to go on it. If it is wet, you want to try and keep them away from it and avoid that as much as possible. So enjoy your purchase, and if you want to find more details about the product, you can view them above.